Welcome back to Just Like That. Hidden in the heart of the suburbs, there's a place that comes alive only after sunset. A space where glowing butterflies light up the air, and every evening feels like a mini escape from the city bus. It's a beautiful open air lounge with huge sitting arrangements, perfect for catching up, chilling, or just soaking in the vibe. What makes it stand out is the stunning butterfly decor. It literally glows and looks just as dreamy in the real life as it does in videos. Trust me. To keep things breezy and comfortable, they have even installed mist sprayers across the space. A smart touch for those warm Mumbai nights. And even if you're coming with your gang, they have got cozy pods for big groups too. Super comfy, private, and totally Instagrammable. There's even a mini play zone for kids. Air hockey, basketball, foosball. A thoughtful addition that makes the place fun for all age groups. It opens only in the evenings, and that's when the place truly comes alive with music, ambient lighting, and an effortless lounge vibe. Throughout the space, there are TV screens installed at several tables and a giant central screen that lights up the whole place. Perfect for live matches, music visuals, or just vibing with your gang. And once the evening sets in, the vibe levels up. The DJ plays a fantastic blend of Bollywood medleys. Not too loud, not too mellow. Just the right kind of energy to get you in the mood. And if you ask me to rate this place, well, I would say Ambience 10 on 10. Quantity of the food 8 on 10. The food taste 7 on 10. Prices 7 on 10. The food is decent, nothing mind blowing. And yes, the prices are on the higher side. But overall experience still totally worth a one time visit. Borivali just got its very own happening lounge. It's called the Hopleaf. So now we leave you with the vibe and the beauty of the place. Don't forget to subscribe to Just Like That for more restaurant and resort recommendations coming up. Till then, keep smiling.